In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin or unpin Telegram messages. This is a super useful feature if you want to keep important conversations at the top of your chat list for easy access, or if you want to unpin them when you no longer need quick access. Whether you're managing multiple group chats, channels, or personal conversations, pinning helps you stay organized and ensures you never miss important updates. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your device. Once Telegram is open, you'll see your chat list with all your conversations. Now, find the group chat or conversation you want to pin to the top. Once you've located it, right-click on that group or chat. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the Pin on Top option. As soon as you click this, the chat will move to the very top of your chat list and stay there even when new messages come in from other conversations. This makes it incredibly easy to access your most important chats without scrolling. Now, if you want to unpin a chat that you've previously pinned, the process is just as simple. Go back to your chat list in Telegram, find the pinned group or conversation at the top, right-click on it again, and this time you'll see an unpin option in the menu. Click on unpin and the chat will return to its normal position in your chat list based on recent activity. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pin or unpin Telegram messages. It's a quick and easy way to keep your most important conversations front and center. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.